Hello and welcome back to LD Carlson. Today we're going to be talking about the most important thing during any brew day, cleaning and sanitizing your equipment. Hello and welcome back to LD Carlson. I'm Travis Sessions, part of the LD Carlson education team, and today we're going to be reviewing the various different types of cleansers and sanitizers available. Now, one of the most frequent questions I ever receive is what do we need to clean and what do we need to sanitize? And the answer is fairly straightforward. It's anything that your beer touches or anything that's going to touch the beer. The goal is to make sure that you have a clean environment so there's no microorganisms that can infect the batch, as no matter how meticulous you are the rest of the brew day, one misstep here and the whole thing could be for naught. Now, what's the difference between cleaning and sanitizing? Cleaning is the physical removal of debris from your equipment, whether that be yeast inside of a fermenter or malt attached to your mash paddle. Sanitizing is the killing of those microorganisms. If something's stuck to the side of your fermenter and the sanitizer doesn't reach it, you might not get all the microorganisms. So it's really important at the start of every brew day that everything is done meticulously and thoroughly. Let's get started by reviewing the different types of cleaners. As we take a look at our first group of cleaners in Easy Clean in One Step, there are three important things to remember: time, temperature, and agitation. Be sure to always read the proper use instructions located on the package. Also, when scrubbing, be sure not to use an abrasive object on the walls of any plastic vessel. We always want to avoid scratches that can harbor microorganisms that the sanitizer may not reach. Should you choose to use a sponge or towel to apply, always be sure to use the smell test. If it smells funky, it's not worth risking your batch to apply. A dirty sponge or towel and cleaner is still a dirty sponge or towel. Our first group is oxygen-based no-rinse cleaners. These cleaners are fantastic for lighter soil levels and are very easy to use. When mixed properly in warm water, they are quick and easy for light-duty cleaning. Should there be remaining sediment in the vessel after scrubbing, a quick rinse to avoid it sticking again is advised. Our second group is the more robust straight A and PBW or powder brewery wash. These still use oxygen to clean but have been bolstered with alkalinity. These are the preferred cleaners for heavy soil and sediment, plus ideal for removing labels. When following the proper instructions for time, temperature, and agitation, these are great for other household uses too. Both of these cleaners will have a slick feeling when present, and be sure to rinse thoroughly with warm water. Our last group are the sanitizers. IOStar is a fantastic iodine-based low-foam sanitizer. While iodine is still the choice use in hospitals, it has fallen a bit out of favor to Star San due to its potential to stain. Isopropyl alcohol can help with stain reduction if it occurs. Star San is the industry-leading acid-based sanitizer for ease of use. It will foam heavily, but there is no need to wait for the foam to dissipate and it will not affect your beer. Go ahead and use the tool or fill the fermenter with bubbles still present. Now that we've had a chance to review the preferred items for cleaning and sanitizing, we should get to the last, which is a little more controversial: bleach. While bleach will definitely work to sanitize your equipment when diluted properly, it does have a few drawbacks. First, it will pit your stainless steel equipment. While not only ruining your equipment over time, this creates areas for microorganisms to hide that your sanitizer may not reach. Remember, cleaning and sanitizing is the most important part of a brew day, so if the microorganisms aren't killed by the sanitizer, you have the potential to ruin the entire batch. Second, if any bleach remains in the beer, it has the potential to create chlorophenols, which is an off flavor that unfortunately there's no way to get rid of. So just be diligent if you are using bleach in a pinch. As always, thank you for visiting us here at LD Carlson. Please don't hesitate to click like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.